Is your knee making that annoying click or pop every time you stand up? Or whenever you take the stairs or bend down to grab something? And is there a little voice in the back of your head wondering if it is a sign of something really bad, like maybe your joint is grinding itself away into dust? If so, don't worry, you are definitely not alone. That sound makes a lot of people super nervous. But what if I told you that in many cases that noise is just noise? And what if I told you there is a simple exercise using nothing but a wall that can help quiet things down and give you peace of mind? Well, that is exactly what we are going to do today. First, we will quickly cover the most common reasons your knee clicks. Then, I will walk you step by step through one super effective exercise, and you will want to stick around until the very end. Because understanding why you do something is just as key as knowing how. Section 1, the surprising reasons your knee clicks. Before jumping into the fix, let us figure out what is happening inside. Doctors call that sound crepitus, which sounds scary. But the cause is often simple and not a sign of damage. One common cause is cavitation, just like cracking your knuckles. Your knee joint is filled with a lubricating fluid called synovial fluid. This fluid has dissolved gases in it under normal pressure. When you move, pressure changes and tiny gas bubbles form and collapse. That sudden collapse creates that harmless pop or click sound. Without pain, this is totally harmless and completely normal. Another reason is tendons gliding over bones like a plucked guitar string. Sometimes a tendon catches slightly and snaps right back into place. This happens frequently during repetitive movements like squats. Unless paired with pain, your body is just being a body. No pain, no swelling, no instability, you are good to go. Section 2, the red flags when a click is a call for help. Now let's talk about when that sound actually requires attention. The main indicator is almost always the presence of other symptoms. If clicking comes with pain, swelling, or stiffness, or a feeling that the joint is locking or giving way, it is time to stop guessing and consult a medical professional. Pain with catching could point to a torn meniscus in the cartilage. Persistent grinding paired with pain might relate to osteoarthritis. Rubbing around the kneecap often links to runner's knee, and a sudden loud pop during sports requires immediate emergency care. If you find this useful, do me a favor and hit that like button. And subscribe for more practical, easy health tricks. Section 3, the exercise, your step-by-step guide to the wall sit. We are going to do one simple, incredibly effective exercise. It strengthens your quads, hamstrings, and glutes safely. Step 1. Stand with your back pressed firmly against a smooth wall. Your shoulders and whole back should touch the wall surface. Step 2. Walk your feet out about shoulder width apart. Make sure your toes point straight ahead. Do not let them flare out. Step 3. Keeping back against wall. Slide down like sitting in a chair. Golden rule: only go as deep as you can, completely pain-free. A shallow squat is perfect. If you feel pain, back up an inch. Check your alignment. Knees must stay straight over your feet. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds continuously. You should feel a good burn in your quad muscles. That means it works. Slowly slide back up, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat 3 sets. Section 4, why the simple wall sit works so well. This exercise fixes tracking issues so the kneecap glides smoothly. It builds balance strength around your whole joint support system. Holding it improves proprioception, your brain's joint awareness. Section 5, consistency is key. Treat it like brushing teeth. Aim for 3 to 4 sets most days of the week. As you get stronger, work up to 45 seconds or a minute. In a few weeks, you will feel stronger, quieter, and more stable. Always listen to your body. Never push through true pain. Most clicks are harmless, but paired with pain, see a professional. The wall sit is your secret weapon for stronger, quieter knees. Hit subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below on how it felt. Let us recap the quick wins for healthy joint movement daily. Hydration keeps synovial fluid rich and joints gliding smoothly. Keep your quads flexible to prevent kneecap pulling. Foam rolling helps release tight tissue around the upper leg. Step-ups build practical, functional strength for stairs. Regular short walks keep joint lubrication circulating constantly. Avoid sitting frozen for hours. Movement is lotion for joints. Supportive footwear reduces unnecessary joint impact force. Strong glutes take heavy loading pressure off your knees. Calf strength helps absorb ground force when walking. Rest and recovery give active tissues time to rebuild strong. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Set a quick daily reminder to do your wall sits. You can easily wall sit while reading or watching TV. Track your progress day by day for motivation. Small habits compound into major joint freedom over time. You are officially empowered to conquer knee clicking. Remember, back flat, feet forward, pain-free depth. Keep your head up and breathe smoothly throughout. Drive force through your heels, not your toes. Relax your upper body and let your legs do the work. That is how simple knee care can truly be. Pair wall sits with light stretching for complete leg balance. Flexible ankles improve whole leg alignment from the ground up. Your body responds incredibly fast to consistent daily care. Give your knees the love and strength they deserve. Quiet, pain-free movement is right around the corner. No expensive equipment, no complicated gym routines needed. All you need is a flat wall and 30 seconds. It is effortless to start and incredibly effective to keep. Notice how your joint stability improves every single week. Feel the difference in every step you take. Quick summary tip 1. Don't panic over harmless clicks. Quick summary tip 2. Check for pain, swelling, or locking. Quick summary tip 3. Master the painless wall sit daily. Quick summary tip 4. Stay consistent for long-term results. Your joints will thank you for taking this simple action. Say goodbye to annoying stair noise. Bend down to grab items without any pop fears. Move with total confidence and zero hesitation. Are you going to try the wall sit today? Start right now. It takes less than 1 minute. Do not forget to subscribe to join our daily health community. Hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more quick health wins, and see you next time.